Ever had that post-dinner scramble where everyone pulls out their phones, muttering about splitting the bill? Or that awkward moment when you need to pay a friend back for concert tickets, but an actual transfer feels too formal? This is where peer-to-peer payment apps like Venmo and Cash App come in. They're like digital wallets that let you send and receive money with just a few taps. But with so many options out there, you might be wondering, can you use Venmo with Cash App directly? The short answer? No, you can't directly transfer money between Venmo and Cash App. They operate on separate platforms, so there's no built-in bridge between them. But fear not, fellow frictionless financiers. There are still ways to get your money from one app to the other. Let's break it down, transferring money between Venmo and Cash App. Here are 3 methods you can use, depending on your preference and how quickly you need the transfer. Method 1, the bank account bridge. This is a good option if you don't mind waiting a day or 2 for the transfer to clear. Here's how it works. Link your bank account to both Venmo and Cash App. This is a standard step for both apps, so you've probably already done it. Transfer the money from Venmo to your bank account. In Venmo, go to your settings, navigate to Manage Balance, and choose Transfer to Bank. Transfer the money from your bank account to Cash App. Open Cash App and tap the banking icon. Select Add Cash and choose your bank account as the source. Method 2, the debit card shuffle. If you need the money in Cash App a little faster, you can use your debit card linked to Venmo as a payment source in Cash App. Here's the catch, there might be a fee involved, so be sure to check the terms before you proceed. Find the Add Cash option in Cash App. It's usually under the banking icon on the app's home screen. Select debit card as your payment method. Enter your Venmo debit card information. This includes the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Review the fee, if any, and confirm the transfer. Method 3, the peer-to-peer payout. This option works best if you're splitting a bill or paying a friend back. Here's the plan. Have your friend open their preferred app, Venmo or Cash App. You send the money to your friend directly through your chosen app. Your friend then uses their app to send the money back to you. Choosing your champion, Venmo versus Cash App. While we can't magically merge Venmo and Cash App accounts, these methods offer workarounds. But before you decide which transfer method to use, consider the following factors. Fees. Be sure to check the fees associated with each transfer method. Both Venmo and Cash App may charge fees for instant transfers or using a debit card as a funding source. Transfer speed. Transferring between your bank account and the apps usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Using a debit card might be faster, but again, check for any fees. Social features. Venmo has a more social aspect, allowing you to add comments to payments. Cash App is more focused on straight money transfers and investing features. Ultimately, the best app for you depends on your individual needs. Do you prioritize social interaction or speedy transactions? Do you need investment options or just a simple way to split the bill? With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.